What happens to your assets if you pass away without a trust? They will not avoid the probate courts unless you have them set up specifically to avoid the probate courts. So for real estate, one of the ways you can handle this is set up joint tenants with rights of survivorship with your spouse. That way, when one spouse passes away, that property transfers full ownership to the surviving spouse without going through the probate courts. If you're trying to pass your house down to children, you can set up a transfer on death deed. That way, you're naming them as designated beneficiaries. When you pass away, that property goes out to them. For your financial accounts like checking, saving, investment, retirement, and insurance policies, you can either co-own those accounts with your spouse, or things like retirement accounts or the insurance policy, you will have to own those as an individual. Then you can also name your spouse or your children as designated beneficiaries on those accounts. So for the ones that you can co-own with your spouse, they will avoid the probate courts when you pass away, and your spouse will have full ownership over them. With the ones that will not be able to be co-owned with your spouse, like retirement and insurance, you can name your spouse as the primary beneficiary on those accounts, and then that money goes out to your spouse. Then if you have children named either as the designated beneficiaries or the secondary designated beneficiaries, that money will go out to your children when both spouses pass away.